If you've ever felt that your Hungarian sounds just a little bit different from a native speaker, the reason might be emphasis. Why do I sound different from native Hungarians? Great question. Many learners sound a bit foreign because they place the stress on the wrong part of a word. Every language has its own rhythm and musicality. If we don't respect that, our speech feels unusual to native ears. So, where is the stress in Hungarian words? In Hungarian, the rule is simple. The stress is always on the first syllable of the word. Isn't that nice and predictable? Let's practice with 3 words. First word, fénykép, photo. Notice, the first syllable is strong in both languages. Now the second word, fényképész, fényképész, photographer. In English, the stress shifts, photographer, but in Hungarian it stays the same, fényképész. Again, the very first syllable carries the emphasis. Finally, a longer one. Fényképészeti eszköz. Fényképészeti. Photographic device. In English, we'd say photographic devices. But in Hungarian, it's still fényképészeti eszköz. The first syllable leads the way, and the rest of the word follows naturally. Why is this important for me? Because your home language might work differently. For example, English moves the stress depending on the form of the word. Photo, photographer, photographic. If you bring that habit into Hungarian, people will understand you, but it won't sound natural. How can I train myself? Here is a tip. Every time you learn a new Hungarian word, immediately ask yourself, am I putting the stress on the first syllable? Record yourself, compare with the native speaker, and repeat until it feels automatic. Do you have any questions? Please feel free to comment. See you in the next video. Sziasztok! Viszlát!